Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this one pot, kind of 1.5 pot fried rice dish. I like to make this on those nights that you're just in a rush. It's the springtime now, which is my favorite time of year, but it does mean that we are extra busy as a vegan family of 5 or as a family of 5. So once I pick up my daughter from school, we are going straight to, I have an audition, and then my daughter has baseball practice, and then we come home. So I like to make dinner early and have it ready to go so that when we come home, we just have to heat it up. And this is one of my go-tos. So this is a vegan fried rice. You're going to start by prepping all the veggies. Carrots, I don't have any of the nice carrots. I just had these baby carrots, but really any veggies that you have in your fridge will really work. I like to try and make them around the same size. Just makes it easier to scoop and to eat, and especially with little mouths and little fingers that are going to be digging into this dish, I like to have everything chopped nice and finely. So we've got these carrots and we have celery in the bowl too, and next we're going to get going on the bell pepper. These used to be my least favorite veggie to cut until I saw another YouTuber show me this technique where you just kind of take the top off and then push the middle out and then kind of scoop it with your hands to get the rest of the seeds and stuff out. Does it make much of a difference? I don't know, but it kind of makes it more fun. My surface is getting just a little bit wet, so I'm just going to wipe it down before I grab the protein for this dish. So I am going to use tofu. So with this tofu, because it's extra firm, I don't actually need to press it. If you have extra firm tofu, kind of the work is done for you. Whenever I have just plain firm tofu, I honestly don't press it that much either, because I find with the air fryer or if I'm baking it, I find a lot of the moisture gets drowned out anyway. So you can get one of those fancy tofu presses if you like, or you can just squish it between two towels, or you can just be lazy like me and just buy the extra firm, and you're good to go. Air fry or bake this. You can also do it in the pan, but I just like the texture better with the air fryer. So I just want to say I was really nervous about chopping onion on camera. I don't know why. I feel like whenever I watch people cut their onion, they look so professional and I just look so clunky. But you're going to want to put in an onion. I'm not a big onion fan, so I'm just putting in about 1/4 of an onion. And then I always rinse my rice, so I'm just putting it in the strainer here, and I just run it under the water just until the water goes clear. And now we are ready to go. So first thing I'm going to do is coat the tofu just in a little bit of cornstarch, and then just whatever spices you like. So I'm doing a little bit of garlic powder here and a little bit of olive oil, mixing it all together, and I'm going to put this in the air fryer on 400 degrees for about 10 minutes, or you can bake it at 415 for about 15 minutes. Just a friendly reminder that this full recipe card is on my blog under vegan one pot rice. So this is the best part. You're just going to take everything and throw it in. So onions, garlic, and ginger, put it all in there, saute for maybe about a minute, and then keep going. We're going to add the celery and add those carrots that we diced up, and then we're going to add the bell pepper, and everything is going to get to know each other in the pan. And my house is starting to smell really good, and just mixing it all up there, and you don't even have to wait that long before you add the water and soy sauce. 4 to 5 tablespoons, kind of depending on how you like it. I was running out of soy sauce, so mine ended up being kind of 4.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, and then I put in some maple syrup, just 2 tablespoons. You can use whatever sweetener that you like, or you can omit that if you want to. And then last, I add the rice vinegar. So I did 1 tablespoon here, and I think that's all I recorded, but later on I added a second one. So 1 or 2 of the rice vinegar is up to you, and then you can just add that rinsed rice straight into the pan and mix it all together really, really well. Bring that to a boil, and here's where I like to just add any sort of frozen veggies. I kind of throw it in right at the end there. Once everything is kind of sauteed together, I just top it off with whatever frozen veggies that we have. And we had some peas, mix it all in together, and basically your work is done here. Just put on the lid and let that simmer for about 15 minutes. And by the time your tofu's done, your one pot rice is done. Give it a mix. I wish you could smell this. It smells so good. Add that tofu straight into the pot. Give it a nice stir. and dinner is done. So if you're looking for an easy vegan weeknight meal, here's one for you. Subscribe, follow for more, and let's see what we're making tomorrow night. Okay, love you, bye.